Get ready for a hole-in-one with the all-new 2024 Volkswagen Golf GTI S Atlantic Blue. 2 liters underneath the hood. That means 33 miles per gallon highway with that 7-speed automatic transmission. 18-inch alloy wheels with red brake calipers. I love it. Inside, we got a Titan black interior and the traditional Golf plaid. Oh, yeah. Now, we've got our cup holders here. Center console shift, our electric parking brake, wireless charging, connectivity. Here is our other drive modes and also our menu controls. And look, it's an all glass center stack here. Guess what? We got our backup camera on, also our warnings here. And also a full digital cockpit, leather wrapped steering wheel, flat bottom sport steering wheel, billeted pedals, and of course kick plate. And we have the big Golf GTI rubber floor mats. I love it throughout. More of that Titan black and plaid in the back. Also, we got rear connectivity for our passengers and also rear air and plenty of leg room. We've got the hatch back up. We got a privacy screen here, big mats right here, and also our cargo management system. Put down that second row, all the more room. So come on home to Payne Brownsville Volkswagen and Mitsubishi for the new 2024 Volkswagen Golf GTI S. I'm Chris Marshall of the Payne Street Team, brought to you by PayneAutoGroup.com, where we have what you want. Lo que tu quieres, regardless.